Hi guys, good morning, namaste, and welcome to Sugar Swap. This is Swapna Madhukar here, and today's yummy keto recipe is keto fish tikka, and I'm really excited to show you guys this recipe because this is like so simple and so yummy, and it melts in your mouth. You will really enjoy this. All those fish lovers will be like in heaven. So this is like an awesome recipe. And in fact, actually in South India the fish is cooked in gravy, this rich gravy, and also it has a lot of carbs in it, of course, and also in other way it's cooked in a tamarind gravy also, which is not keto again, and it has to be had with rice. And I don't want to go for rice again, of course. In a keto way of life you don't eat rice, so how do we eat fish? So what I've created is this simple, very simple recipe. It's very low in carbs and full of fat, and good in fat and rich in protein. And as you know, fish is rich in omega-3 also. And it gives your hair a lush beautiful color and keeps it healthy. It gives your eyes your vision is really improved, and it's very good. And also it's very filling also, totally. I didn't have dinner after that. I just had one bulletproof mad coffee in the night, and just had it call it a day. That is it. So it was like really awesome. You guys should try it out. I'll put the macros below in the description box, so check it out. In a big bowl, just add 2 tablespoons of extra light olive oil. I'm using Sugar Swap's extra light olive oil. And then to it, add haldi powder, which would be 1 teaspoon, and red chili powder up to 1 tablespoon. You can increase it or decrease it according to your taste. And salt too. I'm taking half tablespoon here, and adding half tablespoon of Sugar Swap seasoning. You can add any seasoning of your choice, like pudina powder or oregano, anything you like exactly. And then mix it all up properly till all the fish pieces are coated nicely with the mixture, the chili mixture. And then cling it around and keep it in the fridge for minimum 30 minutes, or you can put it overnight also and just leave it, or you can just freeze it and keep it also, so that you can use it for later. Thaw it and just grill them or toast them. Here I'm taking a tawa, just added a little bit of butter. You don't even need it if you are using a non-stick tawa. And guys, I'm using 1 kilo fish, of which I'm just taking, I believe, 250 grams or so for my lunch actually for today. And now I'm just cooking these on this tawa, so that they are cooked properly. 5 minutes is good for each side. If it's summer it's good, winter mein thoda zyada lagega shayad, but it's 5 minutes is good for each side. And they are done already. Just look at them, they look so delicious and so crispy, and they cook in their own fat. You don't need to add anything else. I'm just adding a little bit of cream just for the taste. Just look at that, that's so soft, and it melts in your mouth like, oh, I cannot tell. In fact, so very tasty, and I love this one. I've just found it as I really love fish curry and rice, so but I cannot eat rice on keto, so I found this delicious way to eat fish, so that I don't have to go to rice at all. And this is like the best way. You guys should try it out. Just try it out. Do let me know if you have any questions, or if you have loved it. Please give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to the channel. We'll try to post as many as keto recipes, simple and yummy, and very low in carb. So check out our YouTube channel for more. Thank you. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon.